Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. ds we can do about factorization. dy we can do another factorization. Next, we know that we can put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So because we have ds, that means we need to do first derivative of b with respect to y. So this one we just have only y in here. First derivative of y, we have number 1, so we have 2x. We have dy, that means we need to do first derivative of q with respect to x. So we just have only s squared in here, and that is about 2x. And we know that they are exact. Now we need to set up about the function fsy. fsy equals to the integration. So I choose about this one plus 3sy. So the integration of 2x, we have s squared. The integration of number 3, we have 3x. Later that, we do first derivative of f with respect to y. So this one, we have number 1. This one, we don't have y, so you got 0. So we know that this one equals to this one. And later that we simplify s squared for the both sides. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of 4y, we have 4y squared over 2. And I will put about c, that is about the constant. Number 4 divided by number 2, we have 2y squared. And I will put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, we have 3sy. 3sy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to this one. And now we have the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.